Introducing Printify's AI Image Generator. Printify is excited to introduce our revolutionary AI image generator. Whether you're a novice or an experienced product creator, their AI tool empowers you to craft exquisite visuals and effortlessly apply them to your merchandise within minutes. No longer do you need to subscribe to external software, such as Midjourney, or possess design skills, nor write a single line of code. All you require is an idea, and we'll help transform it into reality. Right inside of Printify's platform. Unleash your creative vision with the AI image generator within Printify's mock-up creation tool is designed to infuse your ideas into professional-grade products. Utilizing text prompts, this tool brings your vision to life by crafting designs that can be seamlessly integrated into blank products, enabling you to create entirely unique merchandise. Who can benefit from this feature? Beginners. Use AI image generation to overcome the hurdle of not having compelling designs or design expertise. Experienced merchants. Experiment with new product ideas and unique niches without investing in design work. Cost-conscious creators. Quickly and freely create designs without the need for expensive design software, allowing you to transition to more advanced solutions later. Niche enthusiasts. Dive into niches rapidly, explore emerging design trends, and create highly personalized products tailored to specific interests. AI image generation limits. Every registered Printify merchant receives 15 free image generation attempts per day. Each used attempt is reset after 24 hours. In upcoming releases of this feature, there will also be an option to acquire extra attempts. Why choose Printify's AI generator for custom designs? In the rapidly evolving world of e-commerce, AI is making its mark, with more than 2,600 startups working on AI solutions. While chatbots remain common, AI applications in image creation are on the rise. With Printify's AI generator, you can stay ahead of these trends without requiring technical expertise or design skills, producing fantastic designs with ease. All it takes is an idea. No design? No problem. Experiment with prompts until you discover your next best-selling design. You don't need complex design software. Create designs within minutes and seamlessly apply them to your products without leaving our platform. If you can dream it, our AI will bring it to life. Even the most imaginative designs can be realized using the AI image generator, catering to the most niche markets or facilitating experimentation with new ideas. Loads of products to choose from in their product catalog. From tees, mugs, hats, phone cases to pet products, just to name a few. Be the first to monetize trends. By speeding up the design process and leveraging the power of print on demand, you can be among the first to enter the market and capitalize on the latest trends with your products. Multi-platform integration. One of the key advantages of Printify is its seamless integration with a wide range of e-commerce platforms. This makes it incredibly easy to publish your products and manage your stores across multiple platforms. Printify currently supports the following platforms: Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, eBay, BigCommerce, PrestaShop, Squarespace, Wix stores. By integrating with these platforms, Printify allows you to reach a wider audience and increase your sales potential. To get started, click the link in the description below. Until next time, thank you for watching Next AI.